Asia, the largest continent on Earth, home to ancient civilizations, massive cities, and today, the fastest growing economies in the world. But how did Asia transform from a region once colonized and war torn into the global powerhouse it is today? This is the story of how Asia became the world's powerhouse. Watch this video till the end because this video might change your perspective. So, let's get started. For thousands of years, Asia was already at the center of global trade. Civilizations in China, India, Mesopotamia, and Persia developed advanced systems of agriculture, science, mathematics, and commerce. The famous Silk Road connected Asia with Europe and Africa, allowing silk, spices, gold, and ideas to travel across continents. Asian traders were not only selling goods, they were exporting knowledge, technology, and culture. Long before Europe's Industrial Revolution, Asia had strong manufacturing traditions in textiles, metalwork, and shipbuilding. Despite its early strength, Asia faced centuries of foreign domination. European empires took control of many regions, exploiting local resources and weakening traditional industries. Countries like India, Vietnam, Indonesia, and others were turned into raw material suppliers for European factories. This period slowed Asia's independent growth and left many nations economically fragile. Wars, political instability, and poverty became the new reality for much of the continent. After World War II, everything began to change. Japan became the first major Asian country to rebuild rapidly. Through strong government planning, technological innovation, and manufacturing excellence, Japan turned itself into an industrial superpower. Soon after the Asian tigers, South Korea, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Singapore followed the same path. They invested heavily in education, infrastructure, and export driven industries. This period marked the birth of Asian modern economic miracle. The real transformation came with the rise of China. China adopted market reforms in the late 1970s, opening its economy to foreign investment. It became the factory of the world, producing electronics, clothing, machinery, and more for global markets. Millions of people moved from poverty into the middle class. Megacities rose from farmland, ports, highways, and high speed trains connected the nation. With this development, China changed the global balance of economic power. Asia didn't just grow, it specialized. Countries like China, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan dominated electronics, semiconductors, automobiles, and robotics. Vietnam, Bangladesh, and Cambodia became major textile and garment exporters. Asia built massive supply chains, advanced ports, and smart logistic systems. Products designed in the West were increasingly manufactured in the East. E-commerce giants, fintech companies, and tech startups began appearing across the continent. Modern Asia is built on massive infrastructure. High-speed rail in Japan and China, world-class airports in Singapore, Doha, and Seoul, massive ports in Shanghai, Dubai, and Busan. Cities like Tokyo, Shanghai, Seoul, Dubai became global financial and business hubs. Infrastructure allowed faster trade, better connectivity, and strong global influence. Today, Asia stands at the center of global innovation. From artificial intelligence to renewable energy, from space technology to biotechnology, Asian countries are shaping the future. Asia's middle class is growing. Its markets are expanding. Its influence in global politics, economics, and culture continues to rise. And the story is far from over. Asia's journey from ancient trade routes to global dominance is a story of resilience, innovation, and vision. It didn't happen overnight. It rose through struggle, strategy, and unstoppable ambition. And now, Asia doesn't just follow the world's future, it helps write it. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment your thoughts and turn on notifications for more.